15 reasons to join Think Next Institute of Digital Marketing. Number 1. TIDM is ISO 9001-2015 certified digital marketing training institute registered under Government of India. Number 2. Digital marketing training from 6 times national level award winner institute. Number 3. TIDM offers digital marketing training in both offline and online mode. Number 4. TIDM digital marketing course includes 100 plus modules and 25 plus international certifications from Google, Microsoft, Facebook, SEMrush, HubSpot, etc. Number 5. TIDM offers digital marketing training on 40 plus digital marketing tools such as Ahrefs, SEMrush, Word, AI, Grammarly, etc. Number 6. As Think Next is also a digital marketing agency, therefore TIDM offers agency-based digital marketing training. Number 7. Here at TIDM, training is provided by top digital marketing experts, thus making students 100% industry ready. Number 8. TIDM also offers stipend-based free internships to the students, job seekers and others. Number 9. TIDM offers free spoken English personality development and interview preparation classes during digital marketing training and internships so that students need not to struggle for jobs. Number 10. TIDM offers part-time, full-time jobs to students so that students can earn while they learn. Number 11. TIDM is ISO 9001-2015 certified Google partner, Facebook Blueprint, HubSpot, SEMrush and Microsoft accredited company. Number 12. TIDM certificates are globally accepted and recognized with online certificate verification facility through QR codes. Number 13. Guaranteed regular job interviews and 100% placement assistance. Number 14. Highest level of infrastructure with 14 labs and 200 plus computers. Number 15. Here at TIDM, students will get opportunity to work on live digital marketing projects. If you want to make career in digital marketing, then join TIDM.